my name is Mr. Metcalf and I'm a geography teacher at William Wood High School, and I'm here to speak to you briefly about how to best prepare your son or daughter for this year's higher geography exam. This year's exam is broken into two separate papers. Paper 1 is the Physical and Human Environments paper, and it's an hour and a half long, whereas Paper 2, the Environmental Interactions exam, is an hour and 15 minutes long. As you can see, Paper 1 covers a huge range of topics over the higher course. We are recommending that pupils focus on completing past paper questions and then going in after and using the mark scheme to mark their own work. That way they'll be able to identify areas where they're losing marks, and it will also help prepare them for the exam style questions they're expecting to face. Paper 2, the Environmental Interactions topic, is split into two 50-mark sections, the Physical Interactions and the Human Interactions. The questions asked in Paper 2 tend to be quite similar from year to year, so it is important to prepare carefully for this section of the exam, as it is a real opportunity for the students to pick up marks in this Paper 2 exam, as it is quite predictable. This slide shows the key areas of revision and the topics that the pupils have to cover as part of their revision. Just to provide you with a couple of useful hints, it is very important that you use named examples within your answer. That way you'll be able to pick up easy marks. Quoting six-figure grid references is an absolute must during the map work questions. Also, if the question says you may use a diagram, this is not optional. You must draw a diagram to pick up easy marks. Furthermore, during describe questions, please remember to quote figures from the graphs. This slide highlights a list of useful revision resources. We are strongly recommending that pupils take advantage of the supported study on offer, whether it's after school supported study or during Easter school. As I've mentioned previously, we're strongly recommending that pupils use past paper questions as a focus point for their revision. These past papers can be accessed via the SQA website. You can simply type into Google SQA Geography Higher Past Paper Questions, and the link will take you directly to the website. From there you can access higher past paper questions for the last 5 years and also the corresponding mark schemes. As I've mentioned previously, once you complete a past paper, use the corresponding mark scheme to mark your own work. This will give you a better understanding of where you can pick up marks and also the level of detail that's required within these questions. It will also help you identify any areas that you're struggling with, and then please bring this to the attention of your teacher and you will get the support you need in this area. And finally, just a couple of useful websites and books that we are recommending as a department. To help gain some practice with the OS Maps section, you can access OS Maps at getamap.ordnancesurvey.co.uk, and this service is for free. We are also recommending a series of textbooks and study guides. The How to Pass Higher Geography in particular provides past paper questions and useful study and revision hints for the pupils. The BBC Bite-Size website is a fantastic resource for the higher course. It provides revision notes for every topic and also a series of short revision videos which the pupils will find very useful. And finally, if there's anything else you feel we can do to help support your child, please contact us.